Hello everyone, today let's solve this important question from circles chapter. So in this figure there is a triangle ABC that circumscribes a circle of radius 3 cm, BD is 6 cm, DC is 8 cm. Now we have to find AB side and the area of this whole triangle ABC is given as 63 cm square. So friends, first of all let's see what is the meaning of circumscribe. So circumscribe means when every side of the triangle touches the circle at exactly one point. This is known as circumscribe. But if you have a figure like this, friends, see here the side is touching the circle at more than one point. Here also if you see, this is not circumscribe. And this type of scenario is also not circumscribe. So this is the meaning of circumscribe. So here each side is touching the circle at one point. So friends, we have learned that when a line segment touches a circle at exactly one point, what is that line segment known as? Yes, it's known as a tangent. So indirectly they have given to us that AB, AC and BC are tangents. They have not mentioned the word tangent here, but because it circumscribes, you can see that AB side touches the circle at F, AC touches at E and BC touches at D. So what are the tangents that we have here? Yes, AB, AC and BC. These are all tangents to this circle. Friends, if AB is a tangent, what about AF? See, AF is also a line segment and it touches the circle at F. In the same way, BF is also a line segment, it touches at only F. So both these are also tangents. So let's write it. AF and BF also are tangents. In the same way, AE, see over here, EC and BD, DC. So these are all tangents to the circle. Now, friends, in circles chapter, we have learned the theorem that if there is a circle and if there are two tangents to the circle from the same point, then those two tangents are equal in length. I'm sure you have learned this theorem. So if you see, friends, here point B, you have BF tangent and BD tangent to this circle. So by that theorem, BF will be equal to BD. But BD is 6 cm, so both of them will be equal to 6 cm. I hope you got this. Now in the same way, point C, there are two tangents CE and CD. So both will be equal in length, equal to 8 cm. Now look at point A, AF and AE, again they will be equal. But there is no length of AF or AE given, friends. So we'll take it as X centimeter. Okay. So AF and AE are X. So now that we know what are the lengths of the different parts, let's write down the length of AB. See, AB will be AF plus FB. That is, AF is nothing but X and FB is nothing but 6. Okay, friends. Now look at AC. AC will be AE plus EC. Now AE is again X. And EC is 8. And what about BC? Yes, BC will be 6 plus 8, which is 14. So all these are the lengths of the three sides of the triangle. Now what do we have to find out? We have to find out side AB. That means AB is X plus 6. So if I somehow find the value of X, I can find AB. Now friends, we have used this part of the question, but we have not yet used two other information. It is given to us that the radius is 3 cm and the area of triangle ABC is 63. So let's write down area of triangle ABC is 63 cm square. We'll see how to use this. Now the radius is given as 3 centimeters. Now what is the meaning of that? Here I have the center. So there will be infinite number of radii from this center, friends. They will all be 3 cm. But we are interested in only 3 radii, friends. Look at this, the way we are drawing it. We are looking at the three radii which are touching these points. See, that is the point where the tangent touches the circle. So this will be 3 centimeters over here. I hope you got this. Now friends, recall a theorem in circles where we have that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. That is a very important theorem. So here also we have this radius and this tangent, so it will be perpendicular over here friends, here also, see. So all the 3 radii are perpendicular to the tangents. Now it is given to us the area of triangle ABC is 63. But what is the area of a triangle formula? Yes, half into base into height. Now let us see this triangle ABC over here. Now if I take the base as BC, I will easily get the base as 14 centimeter. But what about the height friends? See, I can't find out the height because this will not be the correct height. If I draw this line like this, it will not be the correct height. And if I join these two, it is not a straight line at all. So we cannot find out the height of this entire triangle. So how do we find it out? Well, there is another way. What we can do is we can break this triangle into smaller triangles whose height we know. So friends, if you see here, if I cut my triangle in this way, just have a look. Okay. Now this triangle AOC, the base is AC and the height will be 3. It's already given to us. In this triangle also I know the height and the base. Here also I know the height and the base. So area of triangle ABC, I can write it as area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC. So area of triangle ABC is already 63, we know that. Now what is area of triangle AOB? It is half into base. Now look at this triangle AOB, the base is AB. So what is AB over here? Yes, x plus 6 into the height. What is the height? 3. In fact, for all the triangles, the height will be the same friends. Now for BOC, what is the base? Yes, 14. And what is the height? Yes, 3 plus half into triangle AOC. Look at this friends, here the base will be AC. And what is AC? X plus 8 into the height, which is 3. Till here I hope you got it. Now in every term there is a half and a 3 common. Did you notice that? So let me take that out common. So what remains is x plus 6 from the first term plus, here I have a 14 left and here I have x plus 8. So here I am using the distributive property. Okay, so this is nothing but, so let me write it here again. So I'll get 63 equal to, it will be 3 by 2 into x plus x will give me 2x, 6 plus 14, 20, 20 plus 8 is 28. Now remember friends, I want the value of x, so I'll bring all the other numbers to the other side. So I'll get 63 into 2 divided by 3 equal to 2x plus 28. Yes, I can cancel it out. So I'll get 2x plus 28 equal to 42. So that means, yes, what is 2x? 14. So x is 7 centimeters. But what we want is AB, which is x plus 6, that is 7 plus 6, which is 13 centimeters. So that is how we find the length of the side AB. So friends, I hope you understood how to do this question in circles chapter. If you found the video useful, do like and share. Consider subscribing to Enjoy Math, and please do leave your comments and your feedback in the comment section below. So till we meet again, take care.